So at AddUp, our people are our most important asset, which is why it's our top priority to make sure that we invest in our people's success and their safety. Promoting safety at work makes sure that everyone leaves work in the same fashion that they came to work. This also helps with employee retention and morale. AddUp has partnered with different associations to help us collect data so that we can set safety protocols for what we need. So we partnered with ASTM and NIOSH, for example, to come in, look at everything we do, collect data samples, and help us, correct our safety protocols. Exposure to metal powder is the biggest safety risk that we pose here. We also use a lot of chemicals. We lift heavy objects and are moving machinery around. Here we break down all of our PPE based on the specific operations going on. But PPE here is anywhere from gloves and ESD safety shoes to PAPRs and tieback suits.